So this is a new pre-foreclosure property, and I'm going to document this one. And it's going up for sale in just a couple of days. And I'll try to put the correct amount on the screen, but the UPB is over $244,000. And there's no way this house is worth that in its current condition. You can see the bank's already took possession, or not possession, but they've already rekeyed it. And they're only securing it. They're not coming in, doing any repairs, touching anything, removing anything. They won't do anything with the property at all except secure it until they get the actual CT, certificate of title. So it's typical. I mean, it's dirty. It's going to need new flooring, all new interior paint. Kitchen does have tile floors. But not a very nice floor plan or accommodating floor plan. It's pretty much a mess. Typical foreclosure though. Brick home, decent area of town, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, indoor laundry room, 2-car garage. But for sure it's going to need a lot of cosmetic updates. There's a window unit, so that's not a good sign. It doesn't look too beat up though. I don't see a whole lot of damage. There's no holes in the wall or anything else. So far it's mostly all cosmetic. You might have some window issues in this one. These look pretty bad shape. Might have a air conditioning issue. I mean, you can just tell. It's not been very well maintained for sure. But this unit doesn't look that old. That's 2018, so I mean that unit's less than 5 years old. It should be able to be fixed, repaired, I would think. Not being that old. Once you get another bedroom, just typical paint and stuff. Here's a bathroom. There's no power, so you can't really see much, but you've got a walk-in stand-up shower. That's kind of cool. Here's another bedroom. This would be your master. Pretty good sized bedroom. You've got an open little bathroom area here that needs to be updated for sure. Pink countertops, old cabinets, carpet flooring, peel and stick tile flooring, big tub, old tile. So I mean the house needs renovating, that's an obvious. Got a spot right here. Alright, so that's basically the inside. There's one more bedroom. Oh, so these bedrooms have an adjoining door to them. That's interesting. Check out. The ceiling's all popcorn, but it doesn't look that bad. I didn't look in the garage. Let's check out the garage real quick. Wow. Probably gonna have to have a new water heater. This looks pretty old. It's a 50-gallon, but it looks like it's over 15 years of age, which will be required to be replaced for homeowners insurance. So just a lot of junk, but really big 2-car garage. Tall ceilings, big walk-up area, painted floor, not bad. So this house is going to need a pretty good bit of cosmetic repairs. Plus it looks like it's going to need some mechanicals. Not to mention bath updates, kitchen updates. All new interior flooring, paint. but it is on a cul-de-sac with no through traffic. All brick. I got a feeling the roof is going to be toast. It looks like it's pretty old. There's your outside AC unit. I bet that can be serviced and be repaired and not have to be replaced. It's not that old. Yeah, you're gonna need some pressure washing for sure. All this brick and vinyl needs to be pressure washed, cleaned up. Got a little shed that comes with it. That's nice. Trim that big giant tree. Okay, so that's it. It's going up for auction here in a couple of days. The UPB, or the final judgment amount, let me make sure I get this right. The final judgment amount is over $244,000. There's no way this house is worth that in its current condition. So what should happen is it should go back to the bank. So we'll watch it. We'll see what happens at the auction. Then I'll update next part of the video. We'll see what happens. We'll see if the bank gets it back and what's it end up going for, listing for, and who buys it and who fixes it up. So we'll see.